Nirupama, wishing you all the best for the grand finale tomorrow. Good luck, dear.
Niru, all the very best for tomorrow. You have been spectacular so far, and thank you so much for beautifully representing Manipur. So please do your best, and we have full trust in you. Fingers crossed, and all the very best. I'll keep you in my prayers.
Wishing Miss Universe Manipur Nirupama with all the strength, grace and confidence as she represents with pride. Shine bright and make the world your stage. Lots of love.
Nirupama, wish you all the very best. Nangi best of the best for the model of Miss Universe crown lower.
Hello Niru, I am so proud of you, my dear. You have done a spectacular job in representing Manipur in the most beautiful way, and I will be praying for you till the very last moment. Now go shine, my dear. All the very best. I love you.
Nirupama, all the best. My paga, hello.
All the best, Nirupama.
Sarangthem, Nirupama, we all support you. All the very best.
Nirupama, ayang asal ngambil daba, naga tahu kedua mai papa untuk pembawa ko all the best.
Hi Nirupama, wish you all the best.
All the best, Nirupama. We are very proud of you. Count Puraga, hello.
All the best, Nirupama. Make us proud. All the best.
Miss Universe India 2025 Manipur will represent Jolly Sister Nirupama. Best wishes, Vijay.
Hi Nirupama, all the best.
Miss Universe India ki damakta ekoi Manipur ki Sarangthem Nirupama na saruk yarida asida ekoi mayamna support tawminasi hajuna ayaki Michael Jackie phongdoksari.
Hi Nirupama, Avi here, and I'm wishing you all the very best. May you fly higher and higher and shine brighter, my dear sister. Imalibaki apupo tungchet puraga my paga hello ko.
Hello Nirupama, and the crown of Manipur. All the best.
Hi, Sarangthem Nirupama. We wish you all the best. Here again, just in the ground of Kurla, the middle of the wish meeting, and then the crown for all the best.
Hi, Nirupama. Wish you all the best. Crown of Hello, Nirupama. Wishing you all the best. When you remind my papa.
I have had the privilege of witnessing your journey since 2022, and the growth you have shown has been an inspiration. Thank you for carrying our state Manipur in your heart and representing us with so much grace and unwavering pride. Wishing you all the very best for the final of Miss Universe India.
Hi Nirupama, you've been working really hard throughout this whole journey of Miss Universe India 2025.
As the finale is approaching, we extend our best wishes. Do your best, give your best, and all the very best.
We are waiting for you to get a crown.